Welcome back. We are back from our visit to DD Hills. For those who have been following our vlogs, you would remember our last episode was where we explored the location from Malgudi Days. Now we are excited to take you to the picturesque lake which we spotted on our way to DD Hills. Devarayanadurga Katte is a delightful lake situated on the way to Devarayanadurga Hills. Parking is available on the roadside right next to the lake. Accessing the lake is easy by taking road from the main route, whether by bike or car. It is a well-maintained spot, perfect for spending quality time with family and friends. To reach this stunning side of the lake, we ventured onto the mud road by the side. The lake at Devarayanadurga, encompassed by trees, miniature grassland and calm waters, offers a picturesque and awe-inspiring sight that is worth exploring. Visiting this spot is a must when traveling to DD Hills, given its amazing scenes and breathtaking views. You're watching humhairahi YouTube channel. We hope you're enjoying this video and our other videos. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding this or any other of our videos, please write us in the comments. We will make sure to reply. We took a lot of pictures at this beautiful place and then decided to visit another one that we hadn't planned for earlier. As we were driving up to DD Hills, we noticed a signboard indicating Theetha Dam and Goravanahalli Mahalakshmi temple. Although we hadn't heard of these places before, curiosity prompted us to include them in our itinerary. Without hesitation, we set our course towards these intriguing destinations. The drive on the state highway was a beautiful experience as we found ourselves surrounded by majestic stone hills on both sides. The rugged and ancient formation seemed to safeguard, creating an awe-inspiring landscape that captivated our senses. The highway carved its way through the natural wonders, providing us a scenic road that showcased raw beauty of the terrain. Our country has numerous beautiful places to see, explore, and experience. With our Sonet, we have set our sights on exploring the enchanting Apna Desh, Apna Pradesh. After traveling for a few kilometers, we saw the board for Goravanahalli Mahalakshmi temple. The entrance road towards the temple is well marked. Parking has to be paid at this point. As we had no idea about the temple, we were aiming for the Theetha Dam and were surprised to discover that this temple is a well-known place, and just like any other temple town in India, the streets towards the temple are buzzing with activity. We did not stop at the temple. We headed upwards towards the Theetha Dam, making a note of the parking of the temple to come back on our return. The beautiful Theetha Dam is conveniently located within the walking distance from Goravanahalli Mahalakshmi temple. During our visit, We drove there and found ample parking spaces available, making it convenient for tourists to explore the area on foot. The Theetha Dam is a gravity dam situated in Theetha Taluk, Karnataka. Serves the essential purpose of providing irrigation to the surrounding agricultural lands. Despite the breathtaking views, the Theetha Dam remains relatively undiscovered, resulting in a serene and peaceful environment. Adjacent to the renowned Goravanahalli Mahalakshmi temple, the dam offers stunning evening vistas. Upon arrival, we saw many vendors at the entrance selling delicious chaats and ice cream.
That's the temple, I think.
Walking on the bridge, we were able to admire the picturesque nature and scenery, especially when the lake was filled with water. We parked our car there, and there's like snacks and stuff available here. The spot can be an ideal destination for a holiday getaway. However, it is essential for the government to take measures to safeguard and develop the dam, as a better maintenance is required to address the presence of garbage scattered in the vicinity. As it is a temple town, the visitors often come to Theetha Dam after the pujas. While this leads to the availability of kids' play areas and snack shops, it is unfortunately results in the associated garbage being strewn around near the base of the dam. Overall, our experience at the Theetha Dam was a mixture of natural beauty and cultural exploration, leaving us with a lasting impression of the hidden gem in Karnataka. While in the parking area, we couldn't help but notice a new Hyundai venue pulling up right next to our Sonet. It was a delightful coincidence to see that there were two cousins sitting side by side, offering the perfect opportunity for a like-to-like comparison between the two models. As we admired our Sonet from all angles, we felt a sense of pride in our choice. We'd be thrilled to hear your thoughts on the two cars. Feel free to share your comments below. Your insights and feedbacks are always appreciated. To witness the waterfall, we took a stroll to the other side of the reservoir. Along the way, we had the pleasure of passing a beautiful banana plantation. The waterfall cascading down from the overflowing water of the reservoir was a breathtaking sight to behold. The water gushed down its majestic display of nature's might, creating a mesmerizing sight for a soothing sound reverberated through the surroundings. As the dam reached its capacity, the surplus water rushed down the walls with a powerful force, creating a magnificent waterfall. The torrent of water created a frothy, white cascade as it descended, and its sunlight glistened on the water droplets, adding a touch of magic to the scene. As we stood there, captivated by the sight, the sound of the waterfall echoed in our ears, creating a soothing and meditative ambience. After exploring the place, we walk back to our Sonet to go to Mahalakshmi temple. We will continue to take our Sonet to different places and discovering its capabilities. Be sure to be subscribed to join our adventures. Goravanahalli Sri Mahalakshmi Gudi is a significant Hindu temple dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi, located in the village of Goravanahalli, Theetha Taluk, Karnataka. It is known for its well-maintained and peaceful ambience. On weekends, Fridays and public holidays, it can get crowded. The temple offers free lunch prasada in the afternoon and provides ample parking spaces. For special darshana, when the temple is crowded, there is an entry fee of Rs 100. The line to enter the temple was quite long, but the wait proved to be entirely worth it. The main deity of the temple is believed to be self-manifested and has a fascinating history. The temple is open to the public throughout the year, with Tuesdays and Fridays being considered especially auspicious. In close proximity of the temple, one can visit the Venkateshwara Swami temple. While waiting, we were thoroughly entertained by the playful antics of the monkeys sitting atop of the temple roof munching on gainda food. The main deity is the goddess Lakshmi, along with other deities like Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva and Lord Ganesha. There are two captivating stories about the origin of Goravanahalli Sri Mahalakshmi Gudi temple. One legend states that the idol of goddess Lakshmi self-manifested in the Goravanahalli, while the other tells a merchant named Chodaya who brought the idol to the village. Regardless of the legend, the temple remains a popular pilgrimage site for Hindus in Karnataka, believed to bestow the wealth and prosperity of its visitors who come to seek blessings and pray for a better life. At this place, we noticed numerous new cars that had come for blessings. We decided to participate in the parikram around the main temple, and it was a truly blessed experience. Afterwards, we also visited the temple outside, the main one, and joined the rituals alongside the local devotees. We were immediately captivated by its exquisite decorations. The entire temple was adorned with a vibrant rainbow of colors that instantly lifted our spirits. Elaborate and intricate patterns adorned the wall pillars and ceiling, each filled with a mesmerizing display of hues. The entrance embellished the colorful rangoli designs, welcomed visitors with a warm and festive aura. Engaging in the locals' customs gave us a wonderful opportunity to learn more about the beliefs and traditions of the people in the area. As we commenced our ride back to Bangalore on the state highways, the setting sun painted the horizon with hues of gold and orange, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The mesmerizing views of the countryside bathed in the warm, soft glow of the sunset were truly enchanting. As we cruised along, we couldn't help but notice the picturesque scene of rural life unfolding before us. Villagers were making their way back home, accompanied by their cattle. The beauty of the sunset and the peaceful countryside provided a perfect backdrop to our journey, leaving us with a cherished memory of a road trip. However, amid the charm of the countryside, one must remain mindful in presence of cattle on the road, especially during this hour. These gentle creatures can occasionally wander onto the road, and it is important to drive with caution and care to ensure everyone's safety. We hope you have thoroughly enjoyed the entire series of these episodes. Your love and support means the world to us, as they inspire and motivate us to strive for even greater excellences. Your encouragement fuels our passion to travel and share.
In Bangalore, no light. Outside of city, inside of city, no light.
Where are they saving this money for?
Money, Jago, government Jago.
Thank you for being a part of our journey, and we are looking forward to sharing more exciting experiences with you in the future.